Hey, it's Christina with Kapwing. I just made a template for Twitter fact check parody memes, and I'm going to show you how to use it. In 2020, Twitter started adding little icons on the bottom of certain tweets to raise awareness if maybe there was some inaccurate information that could be misleading, particularly around COVID-19 and the elections. The internet started making parodies, and now you can too. You don't need any special software. You can use Kapwing. It's an online video and image editing platform. And we've got a template, so it's super easy to use. You can just change a lot of the information and make some really cute custom memes. All right, let's get started. Click on the link in the description and you will see this landing page. All right, let me walk you through this template. So you can customize a lot on here. You can change the name, Twitter handle, the text, and the disclaimer fact. You can also change the image. So let's try to make this one custom because this is just the standard you're going to see. Let's say I want this to be from Alexander Hamilton. I'm gonna make up a fake Twitter handle. It's gonna be at Alex the Hamster OG. Okay, now we need a new image of Alexander Hamilton. To replace this image, you are going to click here on Images, and then search for the name of the figure you want, and then see if they have a circular version of their face. Perfect, that will do. Let's make it really small. If you click lock ratio, it'll keep the dimensions the same. You'll see also the layers here. So I have Abraham Lincoln over, or Hamilton over Lincoln. If I wanted to, I could get rid of Lincoln's layer. Doesn't really matter. What is Alexander Hamilton going to say? Let's say something like, I'm not giving away my shot. Oh, it's a little big. We'll make it a little smaller. And then for the disclaimer, we could say, Aaron. And when you are finished, go up here to this red image and say export. And then you have a lot of different options here. We're just going to do download. And you're done. Congratulations. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're always putting out videos on how to unlock your creative potential.